I've done it. I've cut the brake arm off, so now I've got to decide where the new one goes. So I'm going to put the wheel back in. Like so. Get a brake lever. And then I roughly where I want the arm to be. So about here. So mark it, weld it. Easy. So maybe there. Yeah, I'll dress the metal up a little bit. Yeah, wish me luck. That is welded. Look at that for a weld. It's actually taken. I'm happy with that. And there we go, both pins are in, and they're stuck, ain't going anywhere. Brilliant. See, so I did underneath there as well, you see? It'll do. And there we go, the brakes are on, so we now have front brakes on this bike. So it's slightly less dangerous, and look, they work. So yeah, awesome. It's getting there now, isn't it? So I think that's all the fabrication done. It's going to be tied up with electronics, put a switch in, maybe a bit of paint. Awesome. And I'd just like to end by thanking anyone who gave me a nice comment and saying, give me tips on how to weld, because it seems to have worked. I've taken your tips on board. I think I've got some fairly decent joints there. Obviously not professional, but good enough. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you next time.